Hey guys, this is Jeff with Mac Haik Ford Hyundai in Victoria. Just wanted to go over the infotainment system on this 2025 Ford Escape for you. So right now we are on the home screen of the screen. So big picture right there. You have your navigation. Obviously if you hit that, it'll make it full screen for you. So if you need to go anywhere, don't know where you're going, you can put it in there, make sure you know where you're going. Then of course you have your audio screen here. So if you select that, it'll turn the radio on, of course, and then from there you can scroll through your AM, FM, and Sirius right there, even your Bluetooth audio if your phone's already been paired. Below that is where you would pair your phone. If it is paired, you go into there, you can pull up your recent calls, contact lists, even text messages right there. Bottom part of the screen here is going to be all your climate controls. So as you see, this one is equipped with the heated seats. You select that right there, it'll pull up the slider there so you can pick anywhere from 1 to 3 on the power level of the heated seat. It does have the dual temp control on this one as well, so you see on the left side and the right side you have different temperature settings. So if you're passenger and you have different preferences, y'all can definitely set it separately there. It is also equipped with the heated seat right there on and off. Of course your fan speed, max defrost and everything right there on the bottom. So those will always show on the bottom of the screen right there no matter what screen you're in, easily accessible. Then on your features side on the far right of the screen, if you hit that, that will pull up another area to get to your drive modes and then your driver assistance. So your driver assistance menu is going to go over all your safety features, your high-tech safety features like your cruise control, lane keeping, pre-collision warning, everything like that. So just make it how you want it. If you don't like something one way, you can always change it. And then of course you'll always have your home button right there to get back to the main menu. Again, if you have any questions about operating this infotainment system, just give us a call at 361-576-1221.